Hey guys, it's Jacob here. I don't really want to talk with my real voice, so I'm using a familiar voice. I have an issue with Maxis World, so let me talk about it. So remember that video when I got mad at Maxis World just because of my chromatics? Well, I don't know if he wanna forgive me because I went too far. I tried apologizing, but I don't think anything worked because he said this. So he said, too late, the damage is already done. Anyways, Maxis World replied and he said, too late, the damage is already. Anyways, Maxis World replied and he said, too late, the damage is already.
I am so sorry about like the AI's voice. The AI's voice is glitching, so like let the AI say it again.
So Maxis World said, too late, the damage is already done. I think it means he does not want to forgive me. So I'm kinda sad, no, I regret doing that video now. So I guess me and Maxis World are not friends anymore. Goodbye guys, I will upload more videos soon.
Alright, that's the end of the video. And now I'm talking to my real voice, as usual. So this is what happens. Ignore my dog. Shut- Shh. Ignore my dog. So anyways, I got mad at Maxis World because of my chromatics. And he says, too late. The damage is already done. When I apologized to him in that one video, and I think he doesn't want to forgive me now. I think too late, the damage is already done means he doesn't want to forgive me. So like, that is all the information I got about that. And anyways, that's everything. I'll upload more videos soon. I will upload a lot of things. And I might do like a gaming thing, so I don't know. I don't know if me and Maxie's World are not friends anymore. So, yeah, that is everything I have to say. Goodbye, guys.